Hi, this is Andy O'Brien. I want to welcome you to the AI Copy Lab. We're going to have a lot of fun in here, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Basically, we're going to be delving into ChatGPT generated copy. So what's going to happen is you're going to put in the prompts. I'm going to actually show you some prompts that have worked for me in the past, and some that I'm always coming up with new ones. It's kind of what I'm doing lately. Just in the last 6 months, I've been kind of living, eating, and breathing this stuff. As co-founder of the AI Success Club, prompts have kind of been my life. So I'm going to show you some great prompts. But even more importantly than that, once you get the results of those prompts, once ChatGPT gives you some outputs, you can't just copy and paste that stuff. So in the AI Copy Lab, I'm going to be screen sharing and showing you some of the techniques for paraphrasing, rewriting, and tweaking the copy that ChatGPT or BARD or whatever else you might be using will give you, because you can't just cut and paste. Something has to happen after you get that AI generated copy. You need to go in and tweak it. And as a copywriter, I've been doing this for like 20 years. So I'm going to show you how to revise your AI generated copy so it feels more like you. So it resonates with who you really are, and it's in more of your unique style. So your target audience can get a better feel for you. And this is big. So it doesn't seem like your copy has been generated by AI. Nobody wants to read AI generated copy, even though everybody's doing it. You really need to fine tune it so it comes out sounding like you and who you are, and it resonates with your core beliefs. That's really what this should be all about. So in the AI Copy Lab, you're going to be seeing all kinds of videos to that effect. We're going to be doing a lot of things from subject line creation and emails and product funnels and sales pages and blogging, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to rewrite and humanize your AI generated copy. And I'll be throwing in some great prompts as well. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in all the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.